Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and I am Prabhakar Acharya and you are watching Sanskrit composite paper of 2023, March 2023, and this is the third video related to this question paper. Before beginning third part, let me tell you one thing. This paper is of 40 marks and the timing duration is 2 hours. So you must read the question instructions given at the beginning, that is सूचना अनुसारेण आकृतयः आरेखितव्याः, then that is आकृतीनां आलेख that is आरेखनम मसीलेखन्या कर्तव्यम, then सर्वासु कृतिषु वाक्यानां पुनर्लेखनम अवश्यम आवश्यकम, then लेखनम that is लेखनम सुवाच्यम स्पष्टम लेखन नियमानुसारम च भवेत. So this instruction you read carefully and then you proceed for the next part. So this is third video and here I'm going to discuss Tritiya Vibhaga. So you should start writing this answer with the fresh page. Tritiya Vibhaga आपको शुरू करना है third page से, and then Vibhaga Padyam, that is Padyam, and this is of 10 marks. So ये 10 marks का question है, correct? So after writing Tritiya Vibhaga Padyam in the bold letter and then start writing the answers like. So first writing Padyansam Paditva Nidishta Kruti Krita, then read slokas carefully and remember Panchatah Chatu, that means you have to attempt only 4 questions out of 5, but I will suggest you to attempt write all 5 questions. So if there will be any mistakes in any question, then the corrected word, correct spelling or correct answer will be considered. So आप पांचों क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करो और क्लियरली लिखो. Now read slokas carefully. So first sloka is from Sukti Sudha and that is Nindantu Niti Nipuna Yadivastuvantu Lakshmihi, that is Lakshmihi Samavishadu Gachadu Va Yatheshtam, then Adiva Va Maranamastu Yugantareva Nyayat Nyayat Patha, that is Nyayat Patha Pravichalanti Padam Nadhiraha. Now second sloka is Ayam Nichaha Ayam na bhakto na cha pujako va, then Ghantam Swayam Nadayate Tathapi Dhanam Janebhya Kila Yachate, then Na Yachako va Nacha Nirdhano va. So the first sloka is from Sukti Sada, second one is from Chitrakavyam, and the last sloka is Yatra Vidvajano Nasti Shlaghyas Tatralpadhirapi Nirasta Padape Deshe Erandopi Drumayate. So this is from Yugmamala. Now see the questions. What questions are given here? The first one is Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhata. That is Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhata. Right? So write question number 1, Purna Vakyena Uttarata. After that, write the answer directly. I will not suggest you to write that questions, copy the question and then write the answers. Just write down answer like this way. So answer will come न्यायात पथक के न प्रविचलन्ति. तो आपका उत्तर क्या होना चाहिए? That I show you how to write the answers. So write the answer uttaram, that is clearly right. I'm just writing here, so there is I'm starting here with a blank page. The uttaram is uttaram. So write in complete sentence. न्यायात न्यायात patha, or same by joining this word also न्यायात patha, then this half letter में न्यायात patha धीराहा न vichalanti. That means vichalanti is written, so write vichalanti only. Pravichalanti mat likho, vichalanti. This is the answer and underline the answer word. So that is ketu dhiraha. So you can write answer like this way: न्यायात पथ धीरा न विचलन्ति, or धीराः न्यायात पथ न विचलन्ति. So anyway, you can write the answer. So this is correct answer. Now come to विशेषण विशेषयो मेलनम कुरुत. तो निरस्त पादपे देशे, again I suggest you write the answer in complete sentence, like in the sentence. Don't do like this way. This is wrong answer. This is not correct way. So uttaram, again write uttaram and then start writing below that. So first one is nirasta padape, nirasta padape dash, उसी के सामने आंसर लिखो देशे, and second one श्लाघ्यः, श्लाघ्यः अल्पधीः. So answer will be अल्पधीः. श्लाघ्यः अल्पधीः are the answer. Both answers should be written like this. So this is विशेषण विशेषयोः answer. Now जाल रेखा चित्रम पूर्यत. लोकयान वाहक, न पूजकः या न निर्धन. चार में से कोई भी आप शब्द लिख सकते हो. निर्धनः, याचकः, दैट इज याचकः, मीन्स दोनों वर्ड मत लिखो, एक वर्ड लिखो. सो यू हैव 4 वर्ड्स, दैट इज न याचको वा, न च निर्धनो वा, न पूजको वा, न च पूजको वा, न च निर्धनो वा. दैट इज 4 शब्द. इफ यू सी हियर इट इज गिवन. अयम न भक्तो, न भक्तो, न भक्तः, न पूजकः, देन न याचकः, न निर्धन. सो ऑलरेडी न लिखा है, सो जस्ट राइट डाउन हियर निर्धन और याचकः, पूजकः और भक्तः. सो इस चारों में से कोई 2 शब्द लिखना है. न पूर्व पदम उत्तर पदम लिखता अद्यैव. सो सेकंड वर्ड इज गिवन. जस्ट कॉपी मेन क्वेश्चन, देन राइट द आंसर, पुट देयर नंबर 1, उत्तर लिखे, फिर कंप्लीट आंसर लिखो. अद्य, दैट इज अद्य अधिक एव. सो underline this one. And yachate, yachate अधिक अहम. So whenever this sign will come, ये आता है sign, तो ये sign अ में convert होता है. Remember this. So that is अयम का अ लिखा है और उसके पहले अगर ओ है तो विसर्ग में convert होगा. If a is there, then that remains same. So याचते में ते वैसे ही रहने वाला है. So these are पूर्व पदम, उत्तर पदम answer, as well as विशेषण विशेष and जाल रेखा चित्रम. So total 5 questions. So any 4 you have to attend, but again I suggest you write all 4 answers. Now come to slokas. So here it is written a padye shuddhe purne च लिखता. Write slokas padye shuddhe, that is in द्विवचन, पद्यम पद्ये पद्यानि. So द्विवचन में that indicating कि दो श्लोकास आपको अटेम्प्ट करना है. शुद्धे पुण्य च लिखता. whether that is also written in the bracket. त्रितः द्वि, त्रिनितः द्वि. So 2 out of 3. So कोई 2 श्लोकास अटेम्प्ट करना है. So just first word, which words are given here, ghatam, vindhyat and bhavet, that should not be underlined. Rest words you have to underline and write neatly. So I show you answers of this. Answer of this is, I show you the answer of this. So the ghatam vindhyat, patam chindyat, कुर्यात रासवरोहणम, you can see the spelling, येन केन प्रकारेण प्रसिद्ध पुरुषो भवेत्. As sloka's spelling is given in the textbook, same sloka spellings you have to write. And there is if suppose you forgot to put their semi full stop, single full stop after completion of first line and second line के बाद में 2 lines, तो भी आपका marks कटेगा. तो this is first sloka's. Now second one is yadrisam vapate. So yadrisam vapate, both words are given. So you have to start with vijam क्षेत्रमासाद्य कर्षक सुकृते दुष्कृते वापि तादृशम लभते तक आपको अंडरलाइन करें. You have to underline from vijam up to लभते and but write complete श्लोकास. Don't leave यादृशम वपते. आपको पूरा श्लोकास लिखना है but underline करना है जितना आपको लिखने के लिए बताया गया. Now come to third one, that is वैद्यराज नमस्तुभ्यम. So this Vaidyaraj Namastubhyam, so last it is from Chitrakavyam and the sloka is Vaidyaraj Namastubhyam Yamaraj Sahodara Yamastu Harati Pranan Tvantu Pranan Dhananisha. Right? So these are slokas, right? Now come to Madhyam Bhasha. So these are slokas completion. Now come to Madhyam Bhasya Sarlartham Likata. And here द्वितः एकम दैट इज वन आउट ऑफ टू यू हैव टू राइट. दो में से कोई एक का ट्रांसलेशन लिखना है. माध्यम भाषा है दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू ट्रांसलेट इट in English, and this is Saralartham, simple meaning you have to write, not word to word translation, and this is of 2 marks. So again copy main question and then write the answers. So first sloka is Adhyabadhi Jnanaya, you can see here Adhyabadhi, that is Adhyabadhi Jnanaya Vrittapatram Pathe Sada Sarvid Suvidyartham Vachanam Upakarakam is the first sloka taken from Vachan Prasansa, and second word is Sarjamula Yatha Sarve Sangite Vividhaha Swaraha Tatha Manavta Dharmam Sarve Dharmaha Samasridaha. So these are the 2 slokas. I show you translation of this. So the very first sloka's translation is, indeed, a man should always read a newspaper for updated knowledge. Reading is helpful, means useful for all sorts of learning. So indeed, a man should always read a newspaper for updated knowledge. Reading is helpful, useful for all sorts of learning. So suppose you are writing like this way, then definitely you will get full marks here, 2 marks for writing sloka number 1 or 2. Second sloka's translation also I show you here. Sharjamula, that is from Manavta Dharma, and sloka's translation is, just as Sarja means sa note is the root base of various 7 notes of musical pitch. All the religions are based completely on the philosophy of humanism. Once again, just as Sarja sa note is the root base of all various 7 notes of musical pitch. All the religions are based completely, that is completely based completely on the philosophy of humanism. So these are the answers, these are the translation of and as well as answers of third part, Tritiya Vibhaga, and very soon I am going to upload fourth part. So keep on watching, do writing practice, do revision work, because very soon your paper is going to begin. So all the best for your paper, and keep on watching my videos.